Hey everybody! On this video we're going to talk about a word problem on combined variation. So combined variation has to do with varying directly and inversely at the same time with different variables. So let's take one sentence at a time. The volume V of a fixed amount of gas varies directly as the temperature T, and it varies inversely as the pressure P. So remember, inversely is y equals k over x, and directly is y equals kx. And we're told, let's make an equation here, we're told that the volume is varying directly with the temperature, so k times the temperature, and inversely with the pressure. So we have our inverse portion with k over p and our direct portion with k times t. And what do we need to do? We need to find k so that we can use this equation to find the volume when T equals 140 Kelvin and P equals 7 kilograms per centimeter squared. So I'm going to use the second sentence in this case, which says, suppose that the volume is 70. Okay, so volume is 70, and that happens when T is 420 and P is 18. So 18 goes on the bottom there, and then I have my K still. I don't know what that is, but I need to find it. So I can multiply by 18, and 70 times 18 is 1,260 equals 420 times K. So now let's divide by 420 on both sides. 1,260 divided by 420 is 3. So K equals 3. So what's my actual equation? My actual equation is V equals 3 times T over P. But my question, let's see if I can get that on there. It didn't want to work for me. My question is, can I find the volume when T is 140 and P is 7? Well, yes, because those are the only two missing pieces I have in my equation here. So volume equals 3 times 140 over P, which is 7. So what's my volume? My volume, when I multiply this out and divide by 7, is 60. And what is my unit? Well, my unit of my volume, here's a volume, is centimeters cubed. So there's a word problem on combined variation.